Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again because the vision still creeping left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow street of cobblestone. On the hill of Hay Street land, I turned my color to the cold and damned. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, and the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People listening without hearing. People writing songs that voices never shed. And no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. There's like silent raindrops fell, echo in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. Isn't his forming, and the words that it was forming, and the words of the prophet was written on the subway walls, in Titterman's Hall, and whispered in the sound of silence.